Welcome. If you're looking for a simple way to stop group members from sending messages in your Telegram group, you're in the right place. Maybe you want to make an announcement, keep the chat focused, or just reduce noise. Whatever the reason, Telegram makes it easy to control who can send messages in your group. Here's how you can do it, step by step, with the latest updates. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and have admin rights in the group you want to manage. Next, head over to the group chat where you want to restrict message sending. You can find your group in the chat list. Just tap to open it. Now look at the top of the screen and tap on the group picture or the group name. This brings up the group's info page, where you can access all the settings you need. On the group info page, you'll see a pencil or edit icon, usually at the top right corner. Tap on this icon to enter the group's editing mode. Once you're in the editing menu, find and tap on the option labeled Permissions. This section lets you control what group members are allowed to do, from sending messages to sharing media. Look for the switch next to Send Text Messages. By default, this is usually turned on, allowing everyone to send messages. To prevent group members from sending messages, simply toggle this switch off. When it's off, only admins will be able to send messages in the group. Don't forget to save your changes. Usually there's a checkmark or save button at the top right. Tap it to confirm your new settings. And that's it. With these quick steps, you've successfully prevented group members from sending messages in your Telegram group. This feature is perfect for keeping your group organized, making important announcements, or just creating a quiet space when needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group admins. Enjoy managing your Telegram group with more control and peace of mind.